Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto potatoes with snow peas. For potatoes I'm using red radishes. These give a nice buttery taste and also that starchy feeling of potatoes. So let's begin the video. So take a pan on a medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of ghee or butter. You can also use olive oil. Wash the radishes very well and quarter them, and I have taken here 1 kilo of radishes. Now add the radishes to the pan. Add some salt and mix well. Cover the pan with a lid and cook on medium to high heat. So every 4 to 5 minutes remove the lid and toss them well. So this way they cook evenly. And as you can see, the skin started turning light pink in color. That means the radishes started to cook. So my radishes are almost done. I would say 95% done. So now I'm going to add some snap peas. They will give a nice crunch to the radishes and also some sweetness. So here I'm adding 180 grams of snap peas, and these are completely optional. If you don't want them, you can skip them. And I have only used salt in this recipe to season, but if you want, you can add any other spices like paprika, garlic powder, onion powder. Cook on medium to high heat for 3 to 4 minutes and our keto potatoes with snap peas will be ready. And this is a simple keto side dish you can make under 30 minutes. If you miss potatoes on keto diet or low carb diet, then I promise you these keto radishes will not disappoint you. These are super tasty. I like to make a big batch on the weekend and keep it in the fridge for the entire week. And whenever I'm hungry, I just pop it in the microwave and I'm good to go. If you're doing keto meal prep on the weekends, then definitely try this and I'm sure you'll love it. As you can see, I'm sorted for the entire week and the macros will be in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and also give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.